Hey guys, this is Vic from Grasping the Market and welcome to our market briefing. The larger timeframes continued extending inside their respective previous periods, with the weekly well above halfback of last week. On the daily, we had a strong continuation from the move above 2800 with a strong close for a third day in a row. Zooming into the market profile, we see how despite the early selling and closure of the gap, the market validated Tuesday's late spike and responsive buying from the 2800 area was enough to set the pace for the rest of the session. We did tweet about this developing on the early morning and how C presented a good opportunity before the market rally. So feel free to go back through our tweets and let us know if you have any questions on that. Late on the session, though, the market rallied for most of the day after that 2800 test. Late in the session, the market appeared to be getting a little bit long. So there was a correction needed, and that correction happened in the end period before we rally and extended towards the close. One important thing is that the poor and emotional structure left on the way down on the May 28 break, which had multiple distributions and a lot of single prints, that has been repaired today. But again, we left an incomplete auction to the upside. So the immediate focus for the morning is assessing that late move for continuation or lack of it. It is important to mention, though, the fact that despite this backing and filling an extension towards the close, that extension was not something that I would call fantastic. It was just about 3 handles, and then towards the close, the end period could not extend. And one important thing is that we have a very weak reference at 28.3375 in proximity. And if the market is strong, with this backing and filling, this would have been enough to just extend and probably take that reference. So the fact that that didn't happen and this extension was very small leaves a question mark of whether the market has any more ammunition upwards. In any case, we will focus on assessing the continuation or lack of it. And if we have acceptance below the afternoon pullback, which is at 28.1550, that will denote change and reduce the odds of immediate continuation upwards. But again, as we always say, anything can happen because odds are just odds. Derivatives trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, prices, or other information offered by Grasping the Market is provided as general market commentary and does not constitute or replace investment advice. Grasping the Market accepts no liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit which may arise directly or indirectly from the use or reliance on such information.